Welcome to Study with me. I'm here with another question series related to angle and its measurement. Now we'll see the first sum, that is OPQ is a sector of a circle with center O and a radius, that is R, is equal to 15 centimeter. If the measure of angle POQ is equal to 30 degrees, find the area enclosed by arc PQ and chord PQ. So we have to find this shaded portion. We have to use this formula which was used in previous lecture, that is area of sector of this part, that is area of sector of OPQ minus this triangle area, that is OPQ, triangle of OPQ. Now we have radius, that is equal to 15 centimeter, angle theta, that is equal to 30 degrees. We have to convert this angle into the radian measures, so theta in radian, that is equal to 30 into pi by 180, that will give us pi by 6 radian. Now we have theta in radian, that is pi by 6 radians. So here I have drawn QM, which is perpendicular to the side OP. Here it will give us sine of 30 degrees, that is equal to QM by C, QM by hypotenuse, that is OQ. Here radius is equal to 15 centimeter, that is also equal to OQ, that is also equal to OP. Here we have taken a perpendicular bisector M with respect to OP, such that divide it into equal parts of OM and MP, and we have OQ before mentioned, that is the radius, that is 15 centimeter, and after taking this we have the value of QM. So in this triangle we have 30-degree measures of angle O. So we consider this triangle, small triangle OMQ, and from that we have taken out this value, that is sine 30 degrees is equal to QM by OQ. So we have OQ is equal to 15, so substitute the value of OQ, and sine 30, that is equal to 1 by 2, so substitute the value, 1 by 2 is equal to QM divided by 15, so QM is equal to 15 divided by 2. So for the shaded portion PQ, so now we have the formula for the area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion, that would be area of the sector POQ, that is this huge part, this part, and we have to subtract this. We have this area of sector of POQ, this complete area, and we have to subtract this triangle area to get the value of area of shaded portion. So we will substitute the value or formula for area of sector of POQ and subtract it from area of triangle POQ. So we will get area of sector, that is equal to half r square theta subtracted by 1 by 2 into OP into QM. See, for this triangle QM is the height and OP is the base of this triangle. So we have calculated previously only OP. So we'll substitute the values. So half into r square, that is 15 square, and we have calculated theta in terms of radian, that is pi by 6, subtracted from 1 by 2 into op, that is equal to radius, that is equal to 15, into qm, that is 15 by 2. Now we will take some common terms out, that is 15 square by 2, and take this in bracket, pi by 6. Also we can actually take 2 common from this pi by, so we'll write here 1 by 4 into 15 square in bracket pi by 3. So 3 fourths are 12 and 6 twos are also 12, so subtracted by 1. So we have 15 square divided by 4 into pi minus 3 divided by 3. See, we have cross multiplied by 3 and we have got this. After multiplying and dividing by 3, you will get the same result for the one. Now 4 threes are, that is 12. 15 square into 12 divided by 12 into pi by pi minus 3. So here our desired answer is 15 square by 12 into pi minus 3, that is also written as, after simplifying, 75 by 4 into pi by minus 3 square centimeters. Now forget to use give this units. Now we will move to our next question, that is, so we have our next question here. The perimeter of a sector of a circle of area 25 pi square centimeter is 20 centimeter. Find the perimeter, find the area of the sector. So we have given with area of the circle, and we know that area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So substitute the value, 25 pi is equal to pi r square, so r is equal to 5 centimeter. See, this pi gets cancelled and 25 is equal to r square, so by taking square root on both sides we'll get the same result, that is 5. R is equal to 5. Now the perimeter of the sector, perimeter of sector is equal to 2r plus s. So we have radius and we have the value of perimeter, so we'll substitute the values and get answer, that is p plus 2p, p minus 2r is equal to s. So s is equal to perimeter, that is given 20 minus 2 times radius, that is 5, so we get 10 as a length of arc. So s is equal to length of arc, that is 10 centimeter. We have to calculate the area of this sector, so we have area of the sector, that is equal to half into r into length of arc, that is equal to half into 5, that is the radius, into 10, that is the length of arc. So we'll get 2 ones are 2 5s are, the 5 5s are 25. So our area of the sector is 25 square centimeter. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study with me. Thank you.